Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. In today's special video, I'm going to be talking about the iCOT Intraday Indicator working on cryptocurrencies. This is going to be Bitcoin, of course, the largest cryptocurrency there is. I'm away for the weekend. I cannot update the usual format. So I'm not going to be doing the classic COT review, but of course, feel free to log on to COTBASE.com and check the latest Commitments of Traders report if that's what you're looking for. If you are new to this channel, you should know that COTBASE, as our name stands for it, it's all about Commitments of Traders data and analysis techniques. This is a unique indicator that we developed after many years of research. It's called the iCOT Intraday Indicator. There's two versions, the normal and the one with the after signal. What I'm showing to you is actually this updated version. There's two main components. We've got the iCOT scores line, which is actually the heart and soul of the indicator. It's very similar to a COT index. It measures stress in the market. I should point out it's not data from CFTC. It's our own unique indicator, but it is something that we developed after many years of research, and it is following the rules that we are used to in classic COT analysis. So this is Bitcoin on a 1 hour time frame. This is what we're going to start with. You can see that we get a buy signal over here at the bottom. This buy signal comes probably from commercials. The red line you can see over here reaching a limit, and we get this signal, and we actually wait for the market to confirm that signal before we enter. What I love about the indicator is not only does it give the buy or the sell signal, but it also draws this stop line, which is a trailing stop actually. And what I find very useful is sometimes using this stop line itself to initiate a trade. The market sometimes comes back to the stop line. You can see over here, and we actually, not only do we see the market come back to the stop line, but we actually get another signal just at the stop line itself. So it's a great tool to use. Another interesting fact about the indicator is that when we get both commercials and speculators to reach an extreme, we actually get these vertical green or red lines that signal those most powerful situation when both of our scores lines are at an extreme. This is the 1 hour time frame. I think it's quite effective. You can see we have a sell signal coming after this signal. So the indicator waits for the market to confirm the signal before it actually shows a sell signal. This can become very handy in certain situations. You can see, for instance, just now we are getting sell signal after sell signal. We do not actually get that printed on the chart just yet because we need the market to confirm that signal. This area over here is interesting because you see we have both a bullish trade going on with a bearish trade, and between these stop lines you can see the market bouncing. So there are some great opportunities even later after the buy signal comes. Now if you want, you can actually go down into the very micro time frame. I know this is crazy, but I will show you a 15-second chart. Now I do advise to look at the settings when you go and trade in these different time frames. This is the default setting for the indicator, but if you check the playlist about the indicator, you'll find a how to use video where I show you in detail how you can actually set up the indicator and change the limit settings. But it's good to know that even with the basic the default version, the indicator works pretty well on the Bitcoin market on a 15-second chart. I'm going to take it off and show you really that's the case. So we are talking about the iCOT intraday indicator with after signal, and the only thing that we always do is target one of the indicators on bullish opportunities and then the other one on bearish opportunities. That's all that I did just now. I didn't change anything with the limit settings. You can see we get a buy signal, we get a sell signal over here, a sell signal just around this top, we get a buy signal around this bottom here, another buy signal, and this carries on and on and on. Just right now you can see that we are in a upwards move, and this 15 seconds chart was actually quite effective on it. Of course, as I just pointed out, we have the 1 hour time frame, but you can switch in between longer and shorter time frames as you wish. So it is a unique indicator, and I'm trying to promote it as much as possible because it really took us years and years of development to bring it to the real time frame, right? Because classic COT Analysis, which is our premium membership over here, or the Pro, is something that is great on long time frames, but it is a weekly data, right? Platinum, you can see over here, all these lines, these are weekly data sets. So it's something that you should keep in mind. We have the weekly data from CFTC, and then we have the iCOT Intraday Indicator that's basically real time. It's a very unique indicator. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment underneath the video, or just send us an email to info@COTBASE.com. Thank you for your attention. I wish you guys a wonderful weekend. See you next time.